This is the Sharp XEA107 sales demonstration video brought to you by shopstuff.co.uk. First of all, I'm just going to quickly run through what you actually get included in the box with the cash register. First of all, you get a separate power supply. Power supply needs to be plugged into the mains and then simply connects into the till at the side, giving you power. You also get the official Sharp basic programming and operation manual. You get a safety and environmental leaflet from Sharp. You also get the Sharp Serve on-site warranty application form. This form needs to be filled in and returned to Sharp Serve to activate your till's on-site warranty. You also get the take-up spool, which is used if you don't print receipts but want to keep a journal roll for the machine. You also get a very small starter roll. We do recommend, if you're going to be using the machine in either receipt or journal mode, that you buy at least one box of 20 rolls with the machine. Finally, you get included your cash register keys. These keys are used to either lock the cash drawer or to access your program positions here. There's several modes on the till. You have void mode, off mode, reg mode for sales, X flash mode, which is for your halfway through the day reports, and then your Z PGM mode, which is either used for your end of day sales reports or for any programming you wish to do on the cash register. I'll start in the sales mode, give you a brief rundown of what the till does. Now this machine is, as you can see from the size of it, is a basic cash register. There is a 9-digit LDC display on the machine for the operator, so you can see how much money you've typed in. Unfortunately, there's no rear display for the customer. The machine is available in either the black colour shown here or in an off-white grey colour. So if you use the machine in the sales position, you can either have your departments completely open and nothing programmed into the machine. So for example, if I needed to sell £5, I could go 500 and then press one of my department buttons. I could then repeat that procedure for each item in the sale, carry on. Alternatively, you can use PLUs. Now there are 80 PLUs on the machine and you can preset these with a price. You can't preset them with a description, but you can preset them with a price. So I've preset PLU1 to be £1.99. So if I need to sell something for £1.99, I can simply go 1 PLU rather than type in 199 and then the department button. You then press subtotal, ask your customer to pay. You pay you £20, you can type in 20 here. And then on the machine you've got 3 tender buttons. Tender is a method of payment. So you have your total button here for cash, you have a CH and a CR button. And you can use these different tender buttons so you can split up your cash from cheque from credit card payments. On this occasion we're going to say that the customer's paid with cash. You press the cash button, the cash drawer fires, the change is displayed here so you can give the customer the change, and then a receipt is also printed out which you can give to the customer, and this will display the amounts and the items sold and the change given and the cash given. It'll also display the date and the time. Unfortunately, it will not display any receipt header, so that you can't have your company name, VAT number or phone number printed on the machine. If you need that function, you need to look at a different cash register. The cash drawer itself has 3 large note holders, so you can pop your £5, £10 and £20 notes in. There's also a removable coin tray with 6 coin holders. Obviously that's not enough for all 8 coins in the UK, but it is quite a lot for a small cash register. There's also a nice little area here for where you might pop, say that if the customer's giving you a £20 note, you could pop it there, establish that they're happy with the change and the receipt they've got, and then put the £20 note in the cash drawer once you've finished the transaction. If we look closer at the functions of the machine, there's 4 department buttons as standard, but you can then use a shift key to access departments 5 to 8. So in total you've got 8 different departments. You also have an exchange button, a received on account button, which is useful, say, for inputting a float at the start of the day's trading. You also have a percentage discount button, which you can reprogram to be a surcharge, but as default it's set to be a discount. You have a paid out button, which is useful for paying a tradesman or say a window cleaner during your day's trading. You also have a void button. So for example, if I've typed in 199 into department 1 and I've gone, oh no, hang on, that's a mistake, I need to correct that, without issuing a refund, you can simply press void and that will remove that line from the sale. You also have an escape button and a clear button, which are useful for error corrects halfway through sales. Over here there's a multiplication button, which is useful if you're, say, a discount store or you've sold, I don't know, 10 items of all the same price. So for example, if I've sold 10 lots of 199 and I've got my PLU1 programmed at 199, I can go 10 times 1 PLU, which is a much more straightforward way than typing in 199, 199, 199. I can then press subtotal and cash off the transaction. The button here is just a feed button for when you're changing the till rolls. At the end of the day, in your Z position, you can do a Z report, which will show you how much money you've taken in the various departments. The dimensions of the machine are as follows. The machine is 332mm wide from front to side, from left to right, sorry, and the machine is 362mm deep from front to back and 185mm in height. For a full specification on the machine, please view the Shop Stuff website, where you can download the brochure and see other cash registers and other items related to this cash register. Thank you for watching this video from shopstuff.co.uk.